青光眼是50岁以后定定会看到的疾病，也毋过其实这种因为目睭压力异常造成的症头，其他年岁人嘛可能会有。伫澳洲有一个43岁的男性，伊头一摆去检查目睭，就发现讲是青光眼的尾期。美国的研究就指出讲，这青壮年的男性其实定定拢无要意健康，若准讲会当量早预防，就有机会会当降低风险。
43岁戴维斯无看过目镜，自认是着无伤过大问题。生平第一摆看眼科，结果互伊惊一跳。医生的诊断，戴维斯双眼是青光眼末期，是神经的受损已经无法度逆转，建议伊马上手术。戴维斯并不出现青光眼典型的高眼压、甲头疼症状，面对医生雄雄的宣判，互伊拢硬气。
In the left eye in particular, that's been quite badly damaged irreversibly. So really it's the remaining slither of central vision in the right that's doing the job.
青光眼是因为眼压无正常或是神经病变的疾病，常常伫发现明显无正常进前，视力已经受损一段时间，这被叫做定闭的视觉插头，尤其甲遗传高度近视、糖尿病有关系。慢性青光眼患者眼压常常袂伤悬，真少感觉目睭无舒适，才会延误看医生。
One of the classic things is to walk up to get your driver's license renewed, and the patient might find that they're unable to see the blinkers because they've already lost a lot of that side vision.
中年男性较无注意的健康风险，不止目睭，也有特定的癌症甲身体卫生问题。
Over 10 million men globally are facing prostate cancer diagnosis. Testicular cancer is the #1 cancer in young men, and across the world, 1 man dies of suicide every minute of every day.
自个人化社会自我管控、饮食甲生活形态，对保持老后的健康甲独立自主的能力有帮助。医疗专家建议定期进行身体检查、预防甲治疗，才能及时发挥作用。公司新闻张淑芬报道。